Let's recap how to do a unit conversion. Here we have the density of lithium, which is 5.34 times 10 to the power of 2 kilograms per meter cube. Convert the density to grams per cm cube. So here we actually have two unit conversions to do. Firstly, from kilograms to grams, and secondly, from meters cube to cm cube. So let's come up with the conversion factors first. For kilograms to grams, I think this is quite straightforward. You should be very familiar with this. 1 kilogram equals to 1000 grams. So from here, we can come up with two conversion factors. 1 kilogram over 1000 gram, or 1000 gram over 1 kilogram. So basically this is just putting one unit on top of the other. Now how about meters cube to cm cube? Let's look at meters to cm first. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So 1 meter cube is equal to 100 cm, and take this whole thing cube. So that means 1 meter cube equals to 10 to the power of 6 cm cube. So from here we can also write two conversion factors. We can write meters cube on top and cm cube below. Or we can write cm cube on top and meters cube below. So now let's see which conversion factors we need to convert kilograms per meter cube to grams per cm cube. So here we start off with 5.34 times 10 to the power of 2 kilograms per meter cube. We will need to times the two conversion factors to finally get grams per cm cube. So now let's select the conversion factors. From kilograms to grams, we want to cancel out kilograms. So we need to write kilograms below, and we want to get grams. So we need the conversion factor with grams on top. That corresponds to this conversion factor. So we will write 1000 grams over 1 kilogram. How about meters cube to cm cube? We want to cancel out meters cube, so we have to write meters cube on top. And we want to end up with cm cube below. So let's write cm cube below. And this corresponds to this conversion factor. So let's write 1 meter cube over 10 to the power of 6 cm cube. So when we key in into the calculator, you should get the answer 0.534 grams per cm cube. But the question asks for scientific notation, so let's write this in scientific notation. This would be 5.34 times 10 to the power of -1 grams per cm cube.